y'all, okay, the number one question that most clients ask is, do I need a deep clean? Do I need a regular clean? And I'm going to share with you right now how to explain the difference. And then more important than that, how do you upsell, right? So if they need a standard clean, but you think that you want to start with a deep clean, but you don't know if they will go with it or whatever, I'm going to share with you exactly what to do. So if you're ready to put down that broom and boss up, you're in the right place. I'm Felicia, your business bestie, and we're going to get into all of that today. Let's go. So the first thing that you want to understand as you're having a conversation with them is what exactly is included in a standard clean versus, of course, what is included in a deep clean. So I'm going to share with you in real time what that looks like, right? So the first thing is a standard clean. So your standard clean, think about it like you are just kind of going through your house or going through in a commercial, building, and you're just doing kind of the basic clean. So that's like wiping off and disinfecting your surfaces, your standard vacuum and mopping that you're going to do. Resetting the bathrooms if they have like a kitchenette, or obviously in a residential house, a kitchen, like stuff like that. So it's kind of the basics of what you're going to do to kind of maintain a place like on a week-to-week basis versus a deep clean, right? So when you think about a deep clean, your deep clean is like when you're doing baseboards, it's when you are doing the vents, it's when you are dusting the blinds, right? That is a deep clean. That's when you're going inside of the appliances. You may be pulling out the refrigerator, cleaning behind it, removing any grime or any buildup, right? Doing the baseboards, and things of that nature. So before you even go into bidding or quoting on a job, that's the first thing that you got to understand is the true difference between a deep clean and just a regular standard clean. Now, here is how you upsell it. So you upsell it by doing these 3 things. You ready? Okay, let's go. The first thing is you want to use before and after pictures of a standard clean and before and after pictures of a deep clean so they can truly get a visual and see the difference. And then they can kind of determine which one they want, moving forward. Then you want to bundle it with a first time clean. So if you are cleaning someone's home or commercial property for the first time, they need a deep clean because this is your first time bringing it up to standard, right? Doing that deep clean so that you can have subsequent weekly or bi-weekly cleans to keep it up maintained. So you always want to start off with an initial deep clean. I don't care how clean the place looks on the surface, a deep clean is needed, right? And then you want to focus not on the cost as you are explaining this to your potential client. You want to focus on the value, okay? I can do a whole nother video about what that looks like, but focus on the value. That's gonna win every single time, okay? When clients understand the difference, guess what? They appreciate the work, and you, my friend, will increase your revenue. So I want you to, try this out on your next quote or your next conversation at a walkthrough when they're asking these types of questions. Really focus in on that. Follow up with an email, send in those pictures, right? And if you have any questions, schedule a one-on-one with me. I will be more than happy to walk you through it. We can do some role playing to talk through it as well so that at your next walkthrough or when you're giving your next quote, you feel 100% confident as you're having conversations about the difference between the cleans. I hope this was helpful, and I'll talk to you in my next video.